You searched how to buy shares of Signing Day Sports Inc., a company in the sports equipment and athlete services sector. Its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker SGN, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SGN. Then select the Signing Day Sports Inc. listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the company summary and the live price chart for context. Confirm the listing shows Signing Day Sports Inc. and NASDAQ to make sure it's the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. A link to eToro is in the description if you'd like to explore their platform.